U-Antonio uzobuyela enkantolo yemantshi yaseMoretele ezofaka isicelo sebheyili.
Your matter is then being postponed to the 5th of September, 5 September 2025, for your formal bail application herein in terms of Schedule 5. You are then to remain in custody.
Uyise kaGaugelo uthi uma umsolwa enganikwa ibheyili uzozibambela mathupha umthetho.
Justice should be served. I don't want to see him. I don't want court to give him a bail, because once they can give him a bail, I will arrest him myself. So this is what I can say to you. So I think justice should not fail me. They should do the right thing.
Kubikwa ukuthi u-Antonio oneminyaka engu-26 ubudala nongowokudabuka eMozambique wagwaza uGaugelo ngaphandle kwendawo yokuqeda ukoma maqede wathatha umfanekiso wevideo obonisa isisulu silimele wawushicilela ezinkundleni zokuxhumana. Emva kokugwaza abulale uMaroda, u-Antonio uye wagcwala amathafa waseqopha ivideo kwenye yezinkundla zokuxhumana ezama ukuchaza ukuthi ukwenzeleni lokhu.
I didn't mean to do that. I never planned that. As much as Nagarata Kawel, as much as I've left to the core, as much as I sacrificed every cent I had.
Emva kokugwaza abulale uGaugelo, u-Antonio obezibiza umfana ngwenya ubuyele ekhaya nalapho afike agwaza khona intombi yakhe yamanje amahlandla amaningi kanti yona iyalulama esibhedlela.
For Ikageng, we're just hoping that she recovers wherever she is and then that she's in a safe place, because now we are worried about her safety. She's also traumatized as a woman because she saw another woman lost her life.
Izinhlangano ezilwisana nodlame olweyamene nobulili zithi isivimbelo senkantolo i-protection order asiyisizi ngalutho izisulu ze-GBV.
If somebody is having a protection order, number one, it means they must stay away how many meters away from you. How did it come for him to each and every time go and threaten Gaugelo?
Kusenjalo lihlehliselwe uLwesithathu oluzayo icala lowesilisa ona-33 oyamene nokubulawa komshushisi wase-Eastern Cape uTracy Brown. USimthembele Xungu uvele enkantolo yemantshi yaseGqeberha ebhekene namacala elokubulala, ukucija itulo lokubulala nelokuba nesibhamu esingekho emthethweni. I-NPA ithi izama ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuvikela abashushisi bombuso.
We do protect our prosecutors. As we speak, we have many prosecutors that have close contact guards that are around them 24/7. So as soon as, because we work together with the intelligence gathering organizations, as soon as a threat has been detected, then a prosecutor is protected.
Kubikwa ukuthi umsolwa uye wabalekela eGoli kulandela lesigameko.
Ebesendleleni uye wathi kemva kwesiganeko ese wabaleka ebalekela eGoli. Uthe xa isendleleni ebuyayo then iqumrhu eliliye ladityaniswa lamapolisa lamanye namasebe amaninzi edibane neHawks lakwazi into balembambe.
uBrown wabulawa ngaphandle komuzi wakhe phambi kwengane yakhe nowakwakhe. Ukubulawa kwakhe kukholakala ukuthi kuyamene nomsebenzi wakhe wokubheka inkohlakalo kahulumeni.